Hi, I'm Jan from Pins and Needles. We have 3 stores in the Cleveland area that sell and service and teach sewing machines. Anything you need to know, any parts you need to have, anything you regarding to a sewing machine, we are your experts on it. But are you taking care of your sewing machine? That's something that we want to make sure you are aware that some of these machines are very expensive, and if you maintain them properly, they will last you a very long time. There's a lot of changes that have happened now. The threads have got a lot of sizing in it. You're going to see a lot of fuzz going into your sewing machines. The fabrics are not just cottons that were around 40 years ago. We're using all different makes, all different types of fabrics, all different blends. And many of those have a lot of fuzz and a lot of lint. When they get down into the sewing machine area, and then the oil that's needed in the sewing machine gets involved also, you're going to find problems. And with all that, you're going to need to bring your sewing machine in for service. Some of you, and you know who you are, have got sewing machines that are just so crazy inside and so dirty because you've used them so much. If you don't keep that all cleaned out and all taken care of, you're going to freeze up. So maintaining your wonderful machine that you absolutely love is very, very, very important. We have 28 checkpoints. Even with a simple machine like this, we have 28 checkpoints that they go through. When they take off the casting of the machines, they start from the bobbin winder and they go right through every different mechanism, and they use gauges to be able to make sure that your needle clearance is perfect from your bobbin, and that your bobbin clearance has got the perfect area to be able to go around on the hook to be able to come back and grab that thread. It's a second for it to grab that thread to pull up to make a perfect stitch out of you. So just like a car, it does go out of alignment. If you maintain it, you won't have major service problems ever. So good thing to do. One more thing is you need to check out your embroidery units. About once, if you're good with your machine and you have an embroidery machine and you bring it in once every year or two, every other service, we need to take apart your embroidery unit. We're going to show you some pictures of some embroidery units that are just incredibly caked, and you don't even realize that it's happening there. But it's the sizings of the threads, it's the sizing of the stabilizer that all gets in there. So taking care of your machine is not a tune-up, does not involve washing the machine down on the outside and blowing out the lint. We have to take out the entire casting and do all of the different checkpoints before we can give it back to you. You're going to be surprised how nice it sews when it leaves here. If you need help with your sewing machine, we have the experts to help you. We have 3 locations, one in Mayfield, one in North Olmsted, and one in Middleburg Heights. Come on in and see us. We're here to help you.